We'll guide you through how to create graphic designs in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once the application is open, you'll see a blank canvas. On the left side, you'll notice a toolbar with various tools. Start by selecting the rectangle tool to create a basic shape. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the rectangle. If you want to adjust the size or position, use the select tool, which looks like a black arrow at the top of the toolbar. Click on your rectangle and you'll see handles around it that you can drag to resize. Next, let's add some color with your rectangle selected. Go to the bottom of the screen where you see a color palette. Click on a color and your shape will fill with it. If you want more options, right-click on the rectangle and choose Fill and Stroke. This opens a panel where you can customize the fill color, and stroke width. Now, if you want to add text, click on the text tool in the toolbar, which looks like a T. Click on the canvas and start typing. You can change the font and size using the text and font dialog, which you can access from the text menu at the top. To move the text, use the select tool again and drag it to your desired location. Remember, Inkscape offers layers to keep your design elements organized. Go to the layers menu and click ADD layer to create a new layer for each element. This way you can lock or hide layers while working on others, which is super handy for complex designs. Once you're satisfied with your design, save your work by clicking on File, then Save As and choose the format you need. Inkscape usually saves files as SVG, but you can export them as PNG or PDF depending on your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.